friends, it's Julianne, and today I'm going to be testing how powerful the BLACK+DECKER is on carpeted floors. So as you can see, I've got carpet right here. I've got the BLACK+DECKER all set up in charge. I love this vacuum cleaner so much because it's so powerful. It's got different speeds, so you have a few different options to go from. If you don't want the battery to die as fast, you can put it on the lower one. However, I always keep mine on the high option, and I do have 2 stories, and it still does a wonderful job at lasting the entire time. So it's got a great battery life. It's super easy to empty the bin. You simply just press this to take it off, and it's got a very spacious dustbin and a changeable filter as well. It's got a light on the bottom that you guys are going to see in a second in action. And it's got a very comfortable handle. It's nice and lightweight, and it does stand upright all on its own. So that's definitely a plus for me. So let's go ahead and make a little bit of a mess and test it on the carpet. All right, there you go. You guys can see that. Just making sure. All right. So we're gonna kick it back, turn it on. In one single sweep, it got all of the dust off of the carpet, which is absolutely awesome. As you can see, the power is literally so powerful that it gives it a boost, so it literally glides for you. So literally your arm will not get tired for a while, which is absolutely awesome, and it's nice and lightweight. So if you're looking for a very powerful corded vacuum cleaner or cordless vacuum cleaner, I highly recommend this one.